Well, hello everybody. I wanted to welcome you to Fluid Art Fun. This is Jacobi. I am just experimenting here with my new pearl technique that I've learned from the lovely Sara Taylor. And this is my third attempt, I believe, on this, and I still can't seem to get the consistencies just right. So you'll see me talk about and show my last project that I worked on just before this one, and then I switch over to the new one. And I love how many cells are going on here. I complain a little bit about the gold in that I think maybe the Deco Art gold is inhibiting the cells, but I could be wrong. It could just be the consistency. And of course, that's what experimenting is for, right? So I'm just playing here. Please excuse my messy area. Really, I didn't expect I was going to be filming this, and then I thought, oh, why not? Because we all need to know that it's just playtime and experimenting time, and that's where I was in this one. So we'll do a nice clean one later on. I promise. For now, I'll let you just watch this. I seem to be really gravitating towards bright colors. I can't seem to get away from them, even though I love everything Sara Taylor does, and the very muted colors that she has in there are really intriguing to me. I just can't seem to go there yet. I don't know why. So let's just go with the fact that I'm a bright personality. All right, you guys, enjoy, and we'll talk to you in a few. So I wanted to speed it up at this point, so I went ahead and did that. I'm just trying to stretch it out right now and see where the cells are going to pop up. Again, I'm still having that problem with the gold sort of inhibiting the cells from popping up, but it's still a bunch of fun to play and experiment and see what works. And a big, huge shout out to Sara Taylor, whose designs and inspiration, every time I listen to one of her videos, I get more and more inspired to continue my experimenting. So thank you, Sara, so much. And I wish you all the best of luck. And thank you so much for allowing me to play with you guys and show you how to play. And I wish the best to everybody. Take care. I'm back. So I'm still getting used to this recording thing and voiceover thing. So I came in here and just did a little embellishment again. Sara Taylor, thank you for your ideas and suggestions. But just making a few changes here, adding a few things, and then I will let it be. So I'll let you guys watch. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.